First of all, what up, Vibe Tribe? Doing a video for my amazing community. Also, what's up, Facebook and YouTube? This is going to be a tutorial video for live notification and newsfeed settings on Facebook. So, a lot of people have been saying that they have notifications turned on, but it's still not showing on their feeds when I'm live, and they didn't know that I was live, or they're not getting the notifications on their phone. So, this video is basically going to show you how to fix that. To the people that want to learn how to fix that, and also just for the followers that want to help support a little bit more and just be able to see you when you go live to help you with the Facebook algorithm so that you can get a boost going up real early on in the stream. And for people that want to just be able to know when you're live so they can pop in for some time in the beginning, because for Facebook streamers, that helps us so much when the stream does well in the beginning. It helps set the tone for the algorithm for the entire stream. So people want to know when you're live because they just want to be there at the start of the stream to support you and hang out the whole time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the settings on the page to be able to get live notifications every time I or your streamer goes live as well. Show you how to make the stream be at the top of your feed, which basically means when you go to your newsfeed, the live video will be at the top or near the top. All that means is when you open up your newsfeed, you'll see the stream up there if I'm live, and if you want to continue on, it will be as quick as anything else you scroll past on your feed. But it helps us out tremendously when you guys come in and hit those likes and shares and say hello. And a lot of people say they don't even notice I was live that night, and this will help for changing that. These steps are super quick and super simple to change. If there's any other Facebook streamers that would like to use this video with their communities to be able to share how to do this, feel free. You're more than welcome to use it. Okay, so we'll go to the first step. And the first step of this is obviously to go to the page, and when you get to the page, you can see a little blue following icon where it shows that you are following the page. And right next to that, you're going to see a little gray bell. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap on that bell. Once you tap the bell, it's going to bring you over to the follow settings. And these settings are how you follow the page. So the first thing that you're going to click on when you get to this is where it says live videos on the right. You're going to see a blue button that you can tap next to live videos. You're going to click on that button, and that will bring you over to the live notification settings. Now what you have to make sure is that yours is set to all notifications. That will bring you to the point where you get all live notifications from this page. So that means when I go live, you'll be notified that I went live. And all that means is it's just going to tell you that I'm live, because a lot of problems that people are having is that they turn on the live notifications in chat, but it keeps it at suggested. And Facebook doesn't always suggest to you that that person is live. So that's where the problem lies. So you turn on live notifications for all, and now you'll get the notification no matter what. That might be in your notifications when you open Facebook, or you might have banners where it pops out on your phone when you're not on Facebook to tell you that I'm live. Next step is for the newsfeed. So you're going to go back to your follow settings, and where it says newsfeed, you will see the blue button again that you can click. And you're going to go ahead and click on that button. It will bring you to your newsfeed settings. So when you're in newsfeed settings, to see the posts higher in your newsfeeds, you're going to click on the favorites over the default. And that means when you open up your newsfeed, like I was saying, you'll be able to see when the live stream is on higher up in your newsfeed than you would before. Basically the same thing. You're just scrolling through Facebook as usual, but instead of seeing the posts way lower down as you scroll through Facebook, you're going to see them a little higher up. So those are two of the most important things if you really want to go the extra mile for us. Basically, when you go back to your follow settings, you'll see posts and videos. And I, as a streamer, I do make a lot of posts. We like to post our schedules. We like to post things that are going on throughout the week, updates in the games that we play, updates with the stream, things like that, as well as videos, which are usually going to be highlight videos or something like this even, where I'm kind of doing sort of a tutorial thing, anything of the sort. You can go ahead and change those settings as well. It's basically the same thing. You're going to click on the blue button, and you're going to click on the top option to put the posts higher or put the videos higher up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the best way you can support streamers, just by seeing their lives, seeing their videos. All of this stuff helps our content with Facebook very much because they do use an algorithm. So the more likes, comments, views that we can get on our posts and videos, and most especially live videos, when you guys are in there hanging out on that, you know, hitting that like, hitting that share, commenting in the stream, saying what's up, all that stuff helps us out so much and helps our growth. That's one of the biggest things that we are trying to accomplish here. You know, even if it's for 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, the entire stream, whatever you can manage to do really helps us out. And I myself appreciate the support. My community alone has been growing incredibly. And it's been such an awesome thing to see and meet new people and just hang out with people. And we all love each other, man. Everybody comes in and they recognize each other. They say hello to each other. They have conversations with each other. There's times where I can play a game and I could be talking to you, and other times where you guys are having a complete conversation with yourselves, not even talking to me, just talking to each other, enjoying the community, enjoying saying hello, seeing each other for the second, third, 10th, 20th time. And these people have never met each other, and I've never met them, and that's what's great about streaming. It's just building a community and enjoying it from people all over the world. Becoming and just being a family. Two pieces of advice that I choose to give myself: enjoy playing the game that you're playing. Don't play something you think people would prefer, because they won't enjoy playing it if you don't enjoy playing it. And don't do this for anything but your community, because if you do it for you, then you shouldn't be streaming to other people. I'm doing this because I would love to be a full-time streamer. Yes, it's a dream of mine and many, but you can't become a full-time streamer without a kick-ass community. So I appreciate you. Vibe Tribe, I love you. Once again, if anybody else wants to use this video to show to their communities, you're more than welcome to. And if you're watching from YouTube, go ahead and drop that like, hit that subscribe. There will be more videos soon. Thanks, guys.